how to set up the Wi-Fi hotspot inside of your 2023 Hyundai Palisade. So all 2023 Hyundai Palisades feature this new 12.3-inch infotainment system, which also has built-in Wi-Fi hotspot functionality. So to access these settings, you first want to go to Setup, Data and Network. And this is where you'll see your Bluelink service subscription as well as your Wi-Fi hotspot to enable and disable this function. So to connect a device to this functionality, you first want to check this box to make sure the hotspot is enabled. Once that box is checked, you can rename your Wi-Fi hotspot network with the SSID. You can also view your password. Hyundai will auto-generate a very complicated password, but if you want to change this, you can go ahead and type in a new password, hit OK, and it will go ahead and change that new password for devices to connect to it. You can also go ahead and change between the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz bands within the Wi-Fi settings. Go to your list of connected devices. You can have up to 5 connected at one time. And also, Hyundai includes a very simple how to use this functionality at the bottom. So basically, turn Wi-Fi on your mobile device, find a new network, and again, your name will pop up right here, whatever you name the network in the vehicle, and go ahead and enter the password that Hyundai provides or the one that you go ahead and set the new password to. And that's basically all you need to do. And once you connect to this network from the vehicle, it will basically prompt you to connect through a web page and authorize that you're using this network. I could not get past this step in terms of connecting to the network, and I believe that's because the Bluelink subscription is not active on this vehicle. So I believe you need to have an active Bluelink account and Bluelink subscription to use the Wi-Fi hotspot. But if you don't, it basically will not enable and will not transmit data to your phone. So hopefully you found this quick little video on how to set up the Wi-Fi hotspot helpful in your new 2023 Hyundai Palisade. I'm sure hotspot functionality will be rolling out to other Hyundai models here shortly. And if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and check out some of the other content that is currently available. I have 2023 model year change videos, side-by-side comparison videos, and other automotive related how-to content. So once again, I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, I hope to see you guys in the next one.